Hi students, I just want to talk through how to do the group assignment. Each group, both the yellow group and the purple group, will receive their own copy of this Google Doc. Your first step, I'll put you all on CC on an email group, so I'll make a purple group and a yellow group, is to decide how your group's going to communicate. You need to work out whether you're going to have a group text, Mount Roar, or group emails. You need to decide on a group scribe who's just going to make sure the project goes down and communicate with me if there's any problems, any pieces missing, or anything along those things. Then your group needs to communicate, so using your communication method, right, and fill out the following. My suggestion is to do this in the next few days, right? You know which themes you have because we've already put those up on groups on the wall. And I'm also going to post your purple and yellow papers from earlier today. I'll make those files available to you too. So you're going to put your themes, like they were like things like transportation or money or emotional issues or social issues. You're going to put your themes here in the table. And then from your group, you're going to break down into smaller groups, and you're going to put 2 to 3 people on each theme. Okay, so you're going to fill out this chart within the next few days. The entire assignment is due by March 23rd. Remember that each group member needs to turn in their own copy of the Google Doc on Blackboard. Don't turn in just one copy. Everybody turns in their copy, but the grade will be a group grade. But if the group scribe communicates me, we try to involve a student, and that student doesn't want to participate, then I do reserve the right to lower a particular person's grade or give them a 0 if they don't do anything to contribute to the group. In terms of timing, my suggestion is to have all of the paragraphs that are due done and written up before spring break. And then the remaining time, it's due on the 23rd, to have a group cleanup. So, send the group an email or a text, hey group, this is done. We need to go through and do a typo so everybody can hop in the typo check. So everyone can hop into the Google Doc and do a typo check. All right, here's what I'm asking for you. We had like 4 or 5 themes for the purple group and the yellow group. So here's like a template. We're kind of used to writing with these templates. We've done it before. So the template that I found, that I gave you as an example, was the first theme we found was whatever it is, whatever you're starting with, money, transportation, or whatever. So let's say money. This meant that, I don't know, explain what it meant. Students lack financial means. Students, for instance, stated that, and then you're going to put an example quote. Another student also complained, said, suggested, try to use descriptive verbs here. Another example quote. So you put in quotation marks. You're going to take something from, your yellow or purple papers and put it in here. Similarly, a student added another example quote. So we're just going to build out a paragraph using quotes, and you're going to do that for all your themes. And just put who did it, like who did theme 2, so the name and their name. And you guys are going to turn this in. This will ensure that we're all familiar with the data. We know how to do a needs analysis for an app. The next step is going to be assigning different parts of this to build out the branching logic for the chatbot, for the web app that we're going to build. So that's part B. So that's to come. I hope this makes sense, and I'm so excited. Send me an email if you have any questions. I will be emailing your group just as a check-in because, we're going to be gone for a while, just to make sure that you're on track and that sort of thing. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.